Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Google Sheet app step by step. So the most common way to use Sheet is via the official mobile app for editing on the go because it's Google app, so it's verified. So what you need to do basically is just simply type in here uh, Play. So we are going to Play Store. If you have Apple, then go to the Apple Store. What we are going to do now, go to the search bar, and so you will find search bar down here or at the top. Click on Google Sheet just like that, and you will see it right here. If we click on it here, then you will see install button, and then just press on it and you will have it on your phone. And this is pretty much what you need to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next